While stating that the ad hoc measures are not sufficient to curb the air pollution in Delhi, the Supreme Court on Wednesday called for a thorough statistical and scientific study and a graded response to combat the menace. The bench of Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice Suryakant further said that the toxic level of pollution in the capital is painting a negative picture of the country in the world. The court therefore urged the centre and the states to come out with a graded response and to take steps in anticipation of the peculiar weather conditions that prevail in North India during the winter months so that the air quality index can be improved. A Delhi court on Monday discharged 5 persons accused of looting a medical store during the Delhi riots on the ground that the evidence against them was not sufficient. The court also ordered an inquiry into the matter, in which the investigation was conducted by the investigating officer so as to make sure that the investigating officer had not attempted to shield any real offenders. The court, while discharging the accused, said that the court is not insensitive towards the mental agony and the financial loss suffered by the complainant due to this incident. The sensitivity or the emotions alone are not the factors to be taken into consideration by the court while deciding the fate of any accused. These cannot take place of evidence. The Delhi High Court recently observed that arresting an individual merely on allegations has the potential to destroy their reputation, and it is therefore necessary to apply great care and circumspection while dealing with arrests at the pre-conviction stage. The observations came as the Delhi High Court granted anticipatory bail to a man accused of raping an employee working in his company's human resource department. The man named Radhe Shyam allegedly even forced few other women in his company to have physical relations with him.